Hi everyone, welcome back to Moto. Today I am installing the OEM engine or leg guard on my Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. This is the Genuine OEM Royal Enfield engine guard, solid build, factory finish and perfect fitment. Both the left and right guards come with the Royal Enfield logo embedded here. All required bolts, spacers and hardware are included in the box. First, I removed the front brake fluid reservoir and kept it aside safely, and I am using 12 to 16 mm sockets starting with the right side lower engine bolt. Here the left side lower engine bolt is removed. This long upper engine bolt runs through both sides and needs to be removed. Now I am fitting the left side lower bolt with the guard in position. Left side upper engine bolt is installed with the guard. And now tightening the both upper and lower bolts on the left side. Now moving to the right side, placing the guard and the bolts. Here right side upper engine bolt inserted and tightened. This brake hose clamp keep the hose away from the engine and the clutch cable. Upper bolt fitment checked, tight and secure. Now the brake fluid reservoir reinstalled and tightened securely. Final fit check and tightening completed. Here is a clean look at the installed engine guard from the left to right. Final 360-degree walk around, OEM fitment, strong mounting and clean factory look. If this video helped, like, share and subscribe. Ride safe everyone. See you in the next one. Thank you.